today I'm going to show how to make pumpkin custard dessert. For the ingredient, I have 5 tablespoons of palm sugar, 5 eggs, a little bit of salt, coconut cream, 2 pandan leaf, and 1 pumpkin. Okay, and right now I'm going to add salt and sugar inside the bowl. And then add about 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. And add the pandan leaf. And then mix it together. After everything combined together, and add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, Okay, for the pumpkin, I have to clean it well and take out all the seed. Okay, and right now I'm going to transfer it inside the pumpkin. Okay, right now I'm going to steam the pumpkin about 45 minutes inside the steamer. Okay, right now the pumpkin custard is ready, so I'm going to wait until the pumpkin completely cool down. Okay, right now it's time to eat. Let's come enjoy with me. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you enjoy watching my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.